Hi, Ekidnas! Today, we're going to make origami balloons. You'll need a square of paper. Start with the colored side facing up and fold it in half like this. Great job, Ziggy! Now unfold your page. Now flip your page over and fold your page in half diagonally. And then unfold the fold you just made and fold it in the other direction, connecting the other two corners. And then unfold that fold. Now we're going to collapse this model. Put your fingers where these folds are and gently push in. You should end up with a triangle shape. Now take this bottom corner and fold it up to the top point. Notice that I'm only folding the top layer of paper. And repeat the same step on the other corner. And what do you think we're going to do next? That's right, Spike. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, folding these corners up to the top point. Now take these side corners and fold them into the center line. Make sure you're only folding one layer at a time. And repeat the same thing on this side. And flip it over to do the same thing on the back. Now take these small triangles and fold them into the middle. And flip your model over and do the same thing on the other side. Now take these corners and you're going to put them inside this pocket. So open that section up and you can fold these corners inside. Just like that. And I'll show you again on this side, just in case you missed it. You can open up this corner and fold that inside. And flip it over and repeat the same thing on the back. And with that, your balloon is done. All it needs is the air. To put in the air, you need to blow into this hole in the end. You can make your balloons in any color you want, like Ziggy, who made this pink balloon. Or why not try painting your balloons in colors like orange, purple, or green? Thanks for crafting with us today. See you next time.